Good morning, guys. This morning I'm getting a lash lift. I'm super excited. I am going to bring you with me. So I already went ahead and messaged the boutique to see if it would be okay if I vlogged with them in there, and they said yes. So I get to bring you along, which is super exciting. I love getting my eyelashes lifted. If you don't know what it is, basically like a perm for your lashes. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically just curling them permanently until those specific hairs fall out and the new ones grow back in straight, or whatever your natural lashes do. So I just think it's super fun. It's definitely like one of my favorite things to do, beauty related, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, but I'm just doing my morning routine now. It's about 7 o'clock. Appointment's at 9. I'm gonna leave around 8:30 ish. So I'm gonna do my workout. I think I'll stretch and do some abs because my back kind of hurts. I gotta strengthen that up a bit, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm all ready to head over to my appointment, but I wanted to give you a look at what my eyelashes look like without the lift. So no curled or anything. They're kind of dark, but like not really dark. You can see on the side. I can't wait to have this done. It's such a huge difference, and I think you guys are gonna like it. So I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna try and show you as much as I can of the place. It's like a cute little boutique. Like I said, I did contact them to see if it was okay, but we'll see when we get there how they feel about a camera being there. So yeah, I'll do my best. See you there. The first thing she's going to do is take these nice pads and put them underneath my eyes. They're going to cover my lower lashes so that they're out of the way while she works with the top lashes. Here she's figuring out which size of silicone kind of like rod she's going to put on the upper lash area on my eyelid. This is what's going to create the shape for the lift. So these are usually silicone and curved. She glues these down nicely to my upper lid, and then she is going to glue my lashes to it to hold that shape. So she takes a glue and she takes this nice little tool to just kind of pull them up, being sure to separate the lashes so that they aren't going in wonky directions, because whichever way they are glued up is the way that they will be permed up. So she always wants to make sure that those are nice and neat, and there are no waves, kinks, or bends in the lashes, that they're just going nice and straight up. So that's what she's doing right here with that tool on both sides. Next, she's going to prepare the perming solution. This is in a cream consistency, and she places this right on top of the lashes on the right and left eye. And this goes right on top of where that silicone rod is. This is going to sit on for a few minutes, and then she'll come back and remove it. Here she is removing that perming solution, preparing the setting lotion, and placing that all over the lashes, again on top of that silicone rod. That will also stay on for a good few minutes before she removes that. This is where she's removing that setting lotion, and previously you saw her mixing up this, which is the tint. She'll be tinting the eyelashes, so this is going to make them darker for the time that they are lifted, and honestly this makes the biggest difference. In these last few steps, you see her removing the tint off of the lashes. She will then be removing the silicone pads themselves, because at this point the lashes have been permed, set, and tinted. So she's just taking excess color off the lashes here, and she'll be doing the same thing on the other side, as well as removing that under eye pad. And now, of course, as soon as she is done, she will hand me the mirror to gaze upon the marvelous work she has just done to my eyelashes. I'll show you the before and after in just a minute. Hey guys, I'm back, and I have got my eyelashes nice and lifted and beautiful. So I'm actually going away on vacation for about a week, and I don't really want to have to worry about my eyelashes, and so the lash lift is the perfect thing to do. It's one of my favorite things to do. I just love it. So here is the after. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this is the lashes with the tint as well as the lift, so you can see how nicely curled they are. And the only thing she really told me is not to like get them wet or shower for like 24 hours, which is no big deal. So excited, love them. I will leave all of their information for like their Instagrams down in the what's it called, the description box below. So if you're interested in them and having, they also do the extensions, like eyelash extensions, brow lamination. They do training as well if you want to learn how to do those things, and then the lifts, of course. So they're pretty great. Love them. They've always been really sweet, and like I said before, they allowed me to vlog in there, which is really cool. So I definitely enjoyed it. You could literally just take a nap in there. They were so nice too. Like if I was cold, she said if I wanted a blanket, I could. And I definitely feel like if I took them up on that, I would have for sure fallen asleep. But yeah, it was really nice. And it's just so cute. So definitely check them out. And if you have ever had an eyelash lift, let me know down below. And if you have any questions about it too, let me know in the comments down below too. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.